Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for January 29th through February 4th. This is in my B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner. It looks like this because I have to fold it funny to make it even on both sides. But for this particular week, I'm going to use this kit from My Planner Life UK. I believe it's called Winter Wonderland, but it's this super cute, like 2 full pages kit, and pretty much it has everything that we need to do a setup. So my plan is to actually fast forward you through basically all of my setup, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick in the today headers, and then I'm going to stick in a full box, and then the to-do header, and then this guy, and maybe the water tracker, and then the remember header, and I'm going to stick in some of these things, and it's going to pretty much be like everyone is the same. I plan to use these kind of like other decorative boxes instead of bottom washi down here at the bottom. So there's really not a lot of like decisions to be made. We're just going to see how everything fits. Hopefully it all works out. The only thing I pulled out to go with this is this click art pen. It's a zebra click art pen in gray, so that I can write the little headers and stuff here. And then hopefully I can also fit the this week. That was the other thing that I didn't check. But hopefully I can fit the this week that goes down the side as well. I might have to trim the edge a little bit. We'll see how that goes, especially going around the little February header. We're gonna make it work. Anyway, I'm just gonna do all the things, fast forward you through all of the stuff, and then I will be back to talk through how that turned out. Okay, here is where we currently stand. I just filled in everything just like I said I was going to. All it really leaves is just a tiny gap here where I could like write in a little extra thing beyond the like what dinner is and what my workout is each day. So we shall see. I am, I do have a few activities. I think if anything gets super crazy, I might just add it down into the bottom washi space. I also dropped the weekend banner down there. Or we'll just make everything fit and it'll be fine. Lots of space for a to-do list, so that's also an option. I ended up filling in the little gap here at the bottom with just a flag. I could have put a habit tracker in there, but it felt like this was gonna work out. So this is what I did. This is what I put in. Hopefully it'll be fine. There's not gonna be dramatic changes, I think, when we get to what the finished week looks like. But stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. Not a lot has changed since you saw it, except for filling in the details, obviously. Still have the same leftovers, which I'm gonna throw in my leftover stack, which desperately needs to be organized. If I don't mention it, it came from that kit from My Planner Life UK. The pen at the top is a zebra click art pen. I also used that to make a line down the side, just so that I had check boxes. I didn't fill it in all the way to the bottom, but I'm fine with that. I think that's still filled out enough for the week. I just put in my to-do list / top tasks of each day, filled out my hydration trackers, and then down here I put my workout and my dinner for each day, and then I squeezed in like a little bonus activity on each of the days as well. The one exception is that I did not work out on Saturday, but we did adopt a new cat, although we did not pick him up until Sunday. So I just filled that in because I felt like the same workout little icon with the heart, I think, still worked out okay for noting that. So that's kind of how the week went for me. As always, please like and subscribe down below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went down below, or if you don't have anything to say, leave me a penguin emoji to say hi. Love to hear from you. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. I show in progress and finished spreads of this planner, my other planners. I tag all the shop, show you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.